here with the sister Stephanie from Hong Kong, and this is her last day here in Camotes Island because she just finished her training, free diving training in Camotes free diving, and she visited here tonight just to see us and my wife, but unfortunately, my wife is in in the airport right now because of her illness. So and she gave this to me. Thank you so much, Stephanie. So
yeah, so this is the postcard from Hong Kong, and then this is famous place like it's called Kai Tak Airport. Like many years ago, it used to have some planes that fly very low and then close to the building. So
right now it's not
in
operation
anymore, but it is a typical remark in Hong Kong.
I saw that in the Facebook, the video.
Yeah.
You know, the airplane is flying near the.
Yes. So the pilot have to have very good driving skills.
Yeah. So that's the history. So at least I have this. We have this memoir from you. I'm sad because this is your last day here.
But I think I will come back. So
yeah, hopefully you will bring your family or your
yeah. So I think
because you know this island has a lot of beautiful sceneries. Have you been to the resorts, to the beaches here? Yeah, and the caves.
Yes.
Not only these caves.
And the waterfall.
Yeah, the waterfalls. Yeah, there in Totodela.
Yes.
Great.
Okay.
Please subscribe my channel and follow for more.